Baby, I'm doing everything today. I'm about to put on these drumsticks. I'm about to wash them. Then I'm about to season them. Then I'm about to put them in the oven, baby. Let me go ahead and preheat this oven. So I'm about to wash these babies, and then I'll be right back. Let's get going. Let's get going. Let's get going. All right, so put my pepper on here. Then once I put my seasoning on the top, then I'm just gonna mix it all together. Okay, there's a onion powder on here. And you season yours how you want to season your chicken. But this just how Cutie do hers. Add some Creole seasoning up in here. And put a little, just a little hot sauce. I don't want a lot because I don't want it to be too hot, you know. And let's see. I might have some, let me see. No, that's onion powder. Okay, man, a little parsley flakes. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and mix it all together. I thought I had some more seasoning up here, but I found this fajita seasoning in the cabinet. Baby, I'm about to add a little bit I'm about to add a little bit to it. Give it a little you know, a little oh, I forgot I got a pan in the oven. Oh, I forgot about that. Hold on. I forgot about that. All right, so I found this little fajita mix in the cabinet. I'm gonna make something one day. All right, let's mix the chicken up. Let's mix it up. Let's mix it up. And I got the oven set at 350. So, baby, mix it up, and you just take and just mix your chicken up. Mix your chicken up, baby. Mix it. Mix it. I know the chicken gonna be good. I know the chicken's going to be good because I just added some fajita mix. Baby, that fajita mix. Oh, you can't tell me that it ain't gonna be good. You can't tell me that the chicken ain't gonna be good with that fajita mix. I know it is. Oh, and I added some spinach. I added some spinach and I added some rice. So that way, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes. So I got me some rice. Look at that. Look at that chicken came off the bone, baby. Off the bone. Look at that. Ooh, baby. Yes. Ooh. Baby, this chicken is coming off the bone. The bone. Ooh. Ooh, look at it. Baby. Yeah, I'm about to eat. So this is my baked chicken. And I added some spinach and some rice. This is what we got. This it. This it. This it. This is it. Baked chicken, spinach, and rice. This